See you watch. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Oh, look at me.
Did you close it? Did you close it up?
Yeah, a little big.
It's closed already?
You can, we can adjust it. Yeah, we'll fix it.
I'm a good link taker outer. That is gigantic though. I've never seen one, but I guess it demands watches. I'm struggling with the baby.
Yeah, you better let me see it. Let me see what it looks like on me. You need me help, Mama?